Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas. For most families, the dining table is the main part of the home. This is where people gather for formal or informal dinners. Dining tables are important pieces of furniture in an apartment. The style of your dining table will depend on the interior design of your kitchen or dining room. For beautifully decorated dining rooms, choose dining tables that add elegance to the interior. Think massive dining tables for large families. You can also consider a large dining table for organizing dinner parties, or if your dining room is smaller, you can buy dining tables with inserts that can be fitted to expand it. Calculate the size of your dining table and the size of your room, and make sure there is enough room around the table for chairs and people. If your dining area is part of your kitchen, you might want to consider simpler dining tables. And for modern homes, you may want to look at some original design dining tables to add a beautiful point and enhance the look of your home. Choose the finish and material of your dining tables to match your home's design. For larger dining rooms with a more formal setting, choose dark mahogany dining tables to match the rest of the room. Raw pine dining tables are a great choice for rustic use. For modern homes with minimalist designs, you might want to look at some trendy glass dining tables. When it comes to dining tables, you have a myriad of options. Once you have an idea of style and size, you need to determine how much you can spend on your new dining table. This will help you make a decision. Minimalism in interior design is about achieving maximum effect with the minimum of design components. A modern minimalist office needs modern office furniture that offers comfort and functionality without creating clutter. Modern office furniture for a minimalist office design should have a strict design with simple lines. Choose a quality modern minimalist desk for your office and keep it tidy. This will reduce the likelihood of accidents, reduce stress, and create a work environment. Modern office furniture with a minimalist design can help improve your work by dramatically reducing clutter. If you want to create a modern office, opt for stylish office furniture with a minimalist design. You can also opt for a modern, minimalist design for your home office work. The modern minimalist office design may seem too sterile and cold to you, but it can be the perfect solution for your business. You will be able to keep things in order and concentrate on your work. Choose modern office furniture with a comfortable and simple design for your minimalist office. Wrought iron has been used for making furniture and accessories for many years because it's versatile and durable. Accessories and furniture from wrought iron come in a variety of styles and colors to match the design of most homes. When you're looking for wrought iron furniture, you need to determine the location and size of the area where you are going to put them to ensure a good fit. Make sure there is enough space to pull the chairs out for sitting and to walk past the furniture. If you want to buy some wrought iron accessories and furniture, you should determine your budget first. The prices can vary greatly depending on quality, features, and design. It is a good idea to buy the best quality and can afford. Wrought iron is the purest form of iron and is very durable, but it's important to pay attention to the workmanship. Pick the finish and color of the wrought iron furniture and accessories. You can find traditional white and black as well as green or rustic red in a shiny or matte finish. You will definitely be able to find the right set of accessories and furniture for your outdoor area. Whatever finish and color you choose, check if all the metal is covered well, including the underside of the furniture. Iron is prone to rust, that's why it needs to be coated properly. Choose carefully the style of your wrought iron accessories and furniture. You want to match the style of the house, which can be antique or modern, refined or rustic. You can find various Western motifs with animals, stars, or other shapes worked into the metal. The more traditional styles are usually ornamental, featuring scrolls and flowers. Modern designs are normally more abstract. To make your furniture set more appealing and comfortable, customize it further with stylish cushions. Once you have bought your wrought iron furniture and accessories, make sure you maintain and clean them well. The pieces you keep outside will need more care than the ones you keep in the house. Check out all the wrought iron items a few times a year to make sure they are holding up to the elements.